Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to evolve Kenpachi in Anime Vanguard. First, ensure you have Kenpachi at his maximum level for his current star rarity. Next, gather the specific evolution materials required, which are usually unique to each character. Finally, navigate to the character evolution menu to begin the process. This easy method will significantly boost his power. To evolve Kenpachi, you'll need specific character fragments, often found in story missions or special events. You also need elemental evolution stones, which can be obtained from daily dungeons or the in-game shop. Don't forget to save up enough gold. The evolution process typically costs around 50,000 gold coins. These items are crucial for a successful upgrade. Once you have all the necessary materials, head to your character roster and select Kenpachi. You'll see an Evolve button become active if all requirements are met. Tap this button, then confirm your choice on the pop-up screen. The game will then process the evolution, transforming Kenpachi into a more powerful version. It's a straightforward process. After evolving, Kenpachi will experience a substantial boost in his core stats, including attack, defense, and health. He will also gain access to a new skill, either active or passive, significantly enhancing his combat utility. This upgrade makes him much more effective in battles and helps you clear tougher content. Enjoy your newly empowered Kenpachi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.